Meaning of harass.
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 Harass. The word harass refers to the act of repeatedly bothering or tormenting someone, often in a persistent and unwelcome manner. It can take many different forms, including verbal abuse, physical intimidation, or online harassment. The effects of harassment can be profound, leading to feelings of anxiety, depression, and even post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD, in some cases. Harassment can also create a toxic environment that makes it difficult for victims to feel safe and secure in their daily lives. It is important to recognize and address any instances of harassment to promote a healthy and respectful society.